Flooding is the most common and most deadly natural hazard facing our communities. Flooding can happen basically anywhere, so incorporating strategies to mitigate the risk and reduce vulnerabilities from flooding is critical in building resilient and sustainable communities. In this course, we look to the issue of flooding to identify threats that are facing our communities. We look to identify vulnerabilities within our communities from the social, economic, and physical realms, and how to mitigate some of those challenges facing our communities so we can build resilient and sustainable communities in response to flooding. So as we walk through the course, it'll have some overlap with the Intro to Resilience course. If you've taken that one already, you'll see some of the same themes through this course as we walk through it. But we'll talk about some of the different types of flooding. We'll talk about identifying vulnerabilities to flooding, and then we'll dive into a little bit of a case study from the Netherlands where they've had hundreds of years of experience dealing with water and have become very proficient at it. So there's definitely some lessons we can learn from how the Dutch approach water management. My name is Chris Holtkamp. I'm an assistant professor of environmental planning at the University of Wisconsin-River Falls. I've been there about 3 years. Prior to that, I worked as a planner in Central Texas, Flash Flood Alley. So I have experience in dealing with communities that face the challenges from flooding, and I bring that experience to this course. So let's jump in and get started.